The other questions, slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. What is the slope of the line perpendicular to the equation? Okay, so first step is to put it in slope-intercept form. Subtract the 12x, so we have 9y is equal to negative 12x plus 162, divide by 9. You simply put negative 12 divided by 9 into your Desmos graphing calculator. Negative 12 Desmos, or scientific calculator, I'm sorry. It'll do all the math for you. Negative 12 over 9, you hit this circle button and the slope is negative 4/3. So, what is the slope of a line that is perpendicular to this? So this line was negative 4/3. In order for it to be perpendicular, it needs to be the opposite, which the opposite of negative, that's positive. And then we flip it over, so it's going to be 3/4. So 3/4 is the answer. So let's see it again. First thing is we put it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Minus 2x to both sides. So y equals negative 2x minus 7. The current slope of this line is negative 2. The new slope needs to be parallel, so it also needs to be negative 2. Again, I move my x over. By doing the opposite operation, this becomes a negative y equals negative 5x minus 9. Divide by the negative 1. That leaves me with a slope of positive 5. It says parallel, so because it says parallel, I know that it's going to be equal. So my slope needs to be 5. Let's make sure we're doing some perpendiculars. So again, I need to put the equation in y equals mx plus b format. So I subtract, so that gives me 9y equals negative 15x plus 189. Divide by 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. I put into Desmos negative 15 divided by 9. It tells me that it's negative 5/3. So the slope of this line is negative 5/3. This question is asking me for a line perpendicular to it. So perpendicular means I do the opposite. So instead of being negative, it's going to be positive, and then I have to do the reciprocal. So I have to flip the 5 and the 3, so it becomes 3/5.